Hajat Lembur in Nagrak, Sukajaya Village, Lembang, West Bandung Regency. Hajat Lembur is a cultural archive of the past that is recorded in the cultural tradition of the society. Hajat Lembur is held on Friday, August 24, 2018 by M16 Youth Organization. First of all, the event begins by praying to the ancestors by the adat stakeholder as an expression of gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala so that the village and the community be given health and ease in finding sustenance. After the prayer, a welcoming ceremony dance was performed to invited guests, especially to West Bandung Regency government officials. In this procession, various dances were performed by the Kararangay community led by Abah Roy. After the welcoming ceremony is over, invited guests are welcome to sit in the space provided by the youth organization. In addition, Pencaksilat is also displayed to entertain the audience. The event was continued with a joint meal by the community and all the invited guests as gratitude for the abundance of fortune and blessing from this village. Haris Degantara, Karimaca, West Bandung.